Today's amazing pork tenderloin is about as good as it gets.
Perfectly seasoned and topped with this delicious cranberry reduction.
Every slice is tender, juicy, and packed with flavor.
And it's as beautiful as it is delicious.
Trust us, folks. This is one dish your guests will not soon forget.
That's right.
It is a showstopper.
Oh, and just like that, the dogs come in.
I know.
Yeah.
They know we're doing meat. And we are doing top-of-the-line meat.
This
is a pork tenderloin. It's not just a pork tenderloin.
Yeah, it is a Mangalitsa pork tenderloin, which is like the Kobe of pigs.
Pork. That's what I mean. They're related to Kobe. It's like really top notch.
So good.
Super delicious. Super just everything about it is good.
Yes.
We've got some more information on that.
Yes.
Because you're going to want to order some for yourself.
Yeah. Do you want to get started on your reduction?
Well, I can.
Well,
I mean, sure.
You know.
I mean, okay.
Doesn't have to like reduce for a long time.
Yes, we're going to. Anyway. Okay. All right. We got a cup of cranberry. We're doing a couple of things here. This is going to reduce down, and it's going to make sort of like a mop sauce that we're going to apply to this. This tenderloin is so delicious. You don't need to add a whole lot of flavoring to it. It's delicious on its own.
Yes.
But you know us. We got to do something.
Yes. So you want to give me some salt?
Yes. First, we're going to liberally salt this, and this is about not quite a 1.5 pound tenderloin. This will work on any kind of tenderloin that you got. Tenderloin is delicious because it's lean, and it's I think a healthy cut of pork, but it's also just super flavorful.
Oh, hey, you can keep on.
Yeah, sure. So this is our pork rub. This is our own How to Feed a Loon pork rub that I think is absolutely amazing. It doesn't have salt in it, so
give me some more on there.
You're going to want to liberally add this. This is probably at least a half a cup that we're going to be applying to it, and it's a mixture of. Oh, I got my.
There you go.
I've got my cranberry that's simmering away over here. We're going to let that reduce. But anyway, this has got a combination of brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika.
We got it down.
It's got some dried rosemary in it, some black pepper.
We have a link to the recipe.
Yeah, we got a link to the recipe. Okay.
Yes.
So now to this, I'm going to add. This is a 1/4 cup of molasses.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, what would be a reduction without some good old molasses? And then I've got a 1/4 cup of sherry vinegar. The flavor combination of this is so amazing. So
hey, why don't you just use the rest of that? Pour the rest of my.
Okay. All right. We want
this really good and delicious. I love this pork rub, by the way. It's amazing. We put it on our ribs, too.
Yeah. You can liberally apply it. It's not spicy. It's got a little sweetness to it. It's the perfect complement to the pork.
There we go.
And we want that rub to really just kind of get really friendly with the pork.
Yes.
So we're going to let it
sit in the fridge for about 2 hours.
2 hours, but you can also let it go overnight. That's going to be just as good, if not better.
A little bit about Mangalitsa. We're this Mangalitsa pork. We're partnering with Mangalitsa Estates.
They're the best.
We have their ham.
You probably saw that. Well, you
best ham I ever put in my mouth. It was so good.
It's really good, and you guys, we did that ham, and if you didn't see it, check it out. We're going to do a whole series. They have the most amazing pork products.
Bacon.
Go to their website. It's mangalitsaestates.com, and just peruse their website.
Yes.
He does really cool cuts that you don't normally see. Like we did a Delmonico pork steak.
Oh.
The next thing that we're going to do for you guys is their pork wings.
Oh, ridiculous.
Wings? I didn't know.
It's so ridiculous. And for a limited time, you can get a discount, Loon15. Use that code, Loon15, and they'll give you 15% off.
They used to only deliver to chefs, like high-end chefs, and that's how good they are.
Yeah.
And they've now started for home cooks. And
everybody, you guys, we can't talk any more about it, how amazing they are.
You can't even talk.
I just can't even talk.
So that's going to go in the fridge for 2 hours. This is going to simmer down for probably another 15, 20 minutes, and then we're going to wait till that.
And we're going to grill it.
And we're going to grill it. Yay! Okay, it's grilling time. So we've got this beautiful, it's really more of a mop than it is a glaze. We let that simmer down for another probably 15 minutes until it reduced about in half. And you can tell because it just coats the back of a spoon. Okay, now here's our gorgeous pork tenderloin that's been in the fridge, soaking up that flavor for at least a couple hours. I've got my grill here, medium heat, and we're just gonna let this go over direct direct heat. It doesn't take long. It depends on the size of your tenderloin, but it's really only going to be about probably 10 minutes per side. And you want to definitely use your ThermoPro digital thermometer, your meat thermometer. We've got discounts for that too. But that will ensure that you're going to have the correct doneness, which is going to be, we want it to get up to close to 140, 135. It'll continue to cook after we take it off the grill. And then you guys, you know what I'm going to do? I made this. I should go ahead and start. Sometimes you can, I've waited before, but I'm like, no, let's get this going. And then every time we come out and turn it, we'll add another layer to it, okay? Yum. Yum.
Oh, all right, can you squeeze by me?
Yes.
Okay.
Is this not a gorgeous piece of meat? Look at that. Incredible.
I think I'm going to eat that.
I think so. So
Wow.
let's just review real quick. So after about 5 minutes, I got my tongs and I moved it 45-degree angle, just so you get those kind of pretty grill marks. Brush with the mop every time you're near the meat. And then after about 10 minutes, I flipped it, did the same thing on the other side. 20 minutes is really probably the amount of time. Obviously, this end is a little thicker, is thicker than this end. So we got some nice charring over here, which is good, but you're gonna wanna cook this. We took it off when it had reached between 135 and 140, which is perfect. We're gonna let it rest for just a little bit longer, and now I've got some fresh.
Oh, right, you saved that.
So yeah, so what I did back when I made this and I reduced it, I poured a little over off to the side so you can serve this table side. Then you're not gonna be, because if you use the one that you did out on the grill, then you're touching uncooked meat, and that's not healthy. So anyway, no, it's not. So now we're gonna let this rest for just a few minutes, and then we're gonna slice it up and have the best meal of our lives. Okay, it is the moment we have been waiting for. So now I'm just going to, I got mine. Get your sharpest knife available.
You got the big old brisket knife.
I know. I love this knife. And then.
Oh, gorgeous.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Love it. All right, and I've got this wonderful bean and spinach side dish that is perfect for this tenderloin. It's so good.
It is so good. We showed you guys how to make this the last episode. And this is good. What I love about this
beans and spinach, so good.
This this pork, the way it is, it's got like a reddish hue to it, which is why it's the Mangalitsa, which is why they say
it's like beef.
It's like beef. It has a similar texture to the. I'm gonna try and.
Hold on.
Oh, okay.
All right, now you're good. Right
Give
there,
you one
Chris.
there. Look at that. Look at that, folks.
I am dying.
It is pork like none other.
Chris, that is a meal.
I know. Now we got to give you a little. I know. Look at this feast that we're having.
Please drizzle me.
I'm gonna drizzle you.
I'm dying. I am dying.
I know. This is like definitely dinner quality worthy. I mean, especially if you go
Dinner quality worthy?
dinner party quality. What am I trying to say? If you have, it's great for guests. For like, if you really want to impress. This will work with any pork tenderloin. But man, oh man!
Look at that, Chris.
Look at that.
Look. Oh. All right, we're digging in.
We're about to have some good living.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, that is
so tender.
Oh, and that's all right. I'm salivating.
I'm
ready.
Watering, yeah. Wow. I think there's nothing Wesley loves more than a good steak until now.
That pork is so
flavorful. Oh. Is that the word you're?
So amazing. It is the flavor,
the texture, and I'm gonna try with these beans and spinach.
Oh.
So you guys,
we need to quickly go because I want to make a fool of myself.
We've got we're showing you the website because we love you so much. The folks at Mangalitsa Estates love you too.
Mm-hmm.
they're gonna give you a discount. So
Loon 15.
Loon 15, put in Loon 15 and you get 15% off, and you will not regret it.
Wow, y'all, this is this is like 1,000,000% but Loon approved.
He only gives those out
so
once or twice a year.
No, lately I've been doing it a lot.
Well, no, I
Well,
mean,
it's the beginning of the year. Anyway,
you guys,
you guys, order some of this pork. You will not believe how amazing it is.
we love you.
We love you. Have a good year.
We know what we're doing for the next, 20 minutes, so
Yeah.
we'll see you later. Bye, you guys. Love you.